Introducing the Phoenix Valve Connector, SACCVB5CONM16 AD2L 24V1457908, a versatile and reliable solution for your industrial needs. This valve connector boasts a rated voltage of 24 volts, a rated current of 1.5 A, and a high insulation resistance of over 2 GO. With a protective circuit and a status display featuring 2 LEDs, it's designed to meet the highest standards and regulations. Featuring an external diameter of 6mm to 8mm and a central screw valve connector of M3X37.5, this connector is built to fit seamlessly into your setup. Operating flawlessly in temperatures ranging from 25 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, this valve connector is designed to withstand demanding environmental conditions with a degree of protection rated at IP65. Experience the reliability and precision of the Phoenix Valve Connector, SACCVB5CONM16 AD2L 24V1457908 for your industrial applications.